As sunlight streams through the windows of the Panah shelter home each morning, it pulls these women further away from the past they came here to escape. The medical facility lies calmly vacant. However, need for it has arisen more than once.
तकिया रख के मारने की कोशिश की, मुझे इसने पंखे से टांगने की कोशिश की कि मेरी गर्दन के सारे पीछे से पॉइंट खुल चुके हैं। यहाँ तक कि मैं अगर कहती थी ना कि मुझे तकलीफ है तो ये डॉक्टर के पास भी मुझे नहीं लेकर जाता था।
Sakina was always a fighter. She fought to marry the man she loved, and she is fighting to move on with her life after her failed marriage.
मुझे ये कहा कि तुम खामोश रहो, लेकिन खामोश मैं कब तक खामोश रहूँ? मैंने कहा मेरी हिम्मत जवाब दे गई है। यहाँ तक कि मैंने कहा मेरा कानून, मेरा मज़हब मुझे इजाज़त देता है जिस शख्स के साथ मैं नहीं रहना चाहती, अब मैं नहीं रहना चाहती। अब मुझे मजबूर ना किया जाए कि मैं उसके साथ रहूँ। अब मैं अलग होना चाहती हूँ बस।
The women at Panah are protected with strict security, as the organization is given support from the local police. The level of safety in this area is reflected in how children play without fear or hesitation. This is exactly what Panah's founders had in mind when they first set up this shelter.
We had no such facility for women where, a woman running away from violence could be sent to, like sometimes we were even forced to keep them at homes, and that created problems for us. There were the government-run Darul Amans, but they were not providing service which was, their services were really not the way shelter homes should be run.
Every woman at Panah has a story to tell. They may not have had the power to write the earlier part of it, but they do have the resolve to choose their next steps.
आप लोग कहते थे ना मैं कुछ नहीं करूँगी, पहले मैं बहुत अच्छी थी ना तो आप लोगों ने बहुत कुछ कर लिया, मेरी ज़िंदगी एकदम बर्बाद कर दी। अभी मैं खुद ही सब कुछ करूँगी, मैं किसी के ऊपर नहीं जाऊँगी और देखिएगा आप सबकी औलादों से ज़्यादा अच्छी मेरी बेटी बनेगी।
On first glance, it may be natural to assume that these veiled, shy-looking women are nothing more than passive victims. However, one must not discount the bravery needed to actively seek for help in situations as bleak as the ones they have faced. Unum Muneer, Dawn News, Karachi.